that there?
A UFO!
Is that a UFO?
Yeah!
Oh, there's an alien on there. Where's he from? Arthur, where's he from?
I don't know!
He's a Martian.
Where's he going? It looks like...
He's a Martian. He comes from Mars. Oh, no. Did you defeat him?
Yeah!
All right.
Oh no, more is coming down!
Here comes more. You must have made them mad. He's coming down. Shoot! 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 He's coming! He's flying! Whoa! Shoot! Don't throw your gun at him. You gotta shoot him. Shoot him! You have defeated the Martian. He crash landed on Earth.
What's that? What's that?
Oh, it's a spaceship. It's pretty cool. We're gonna fill it with air. We can fly on outside, okay?